Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're talking about the HAUSBELL Tire Inflator, which I believe is the best tire inflator available right now for your car, bike, or other inflatables. First off, let's dive into why this is a must-have for anyone who owns a vehicle. The HAUSBELL Tire Inflator comes with a powerful, upgraded air compressor capable of reaching up to 150 psi. This makes it perfect for all your tire inflation needs, whether you're working with car tires, motorcycle tires, or even sports equipment like balls. It offers a rapid inflation rate of 35 liters per minute, meaning you can inflate your tires quickly and get back on the road in no time. One of the standout features of this product is its durable high-speed motor. The air pump is equipped with thicker copper wiring, which enhances its longevity and performance. It also uses a 99.9% pure copper radiator, which ensures that heat is efficiently managed, allowing for consistent, long-lasting operation. You can easily inflate up to 4 tires continuously without worrying about the motor overheating. Safety is another major factor with the HAUSBELL Tire Inflator. It features a built-in intelligent AI chip that allows for precise air pressure settings. Simply input the desired pressure, and the unit will automatically stop once the tire is fully inflated. This prevents overinflation, which can be a common issue with many other inflators. It also comes with a digital display that shows the tire pressure clearly, and you can switch between PSI, kPa, bar, and kg, cm squared units with just a button press. In terms of design, the HAUSBELL Tire Inflator is both ergonomic and compact, making it easy to store in your car for emergency situations. Its high-definition LED flashlight is perfect for nighttime use or roadside emergencies, providing ample lighting when you need it most. Moreover, this tire inflator is incredibly easy to use. Simply plug it into your car's 12 volts DC outlet, and you're good to go. The one-click operation allows you to set your tire pressure without any hassle, and it will shut off automatically once the task is complete. So, whether you're out on the road, preparing for an outdoor adventure, or just maintaining your car's tires at home, this inflator is designed to give you the convenience, speed, and reliability you need. That's all for today's review of the HAUSBELL Tire Inflator. If you're looking for a product that combines power, precision, and portability, this is hands down one of the best options available. Make sure to check it out and add it to your car kit. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Product Critique.